Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your Fandango account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Fandango website where you can click on the account icon at the top right corner to log into your account using your credentials. Now, once you have logged in, you will be taken into your home page from where you can browse for various tickets to buy. Now, just scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you will find the help option. Go ahead and click on it and this will take you into the help page. Now, from this page, scroll down and you will find an option to chat with an expert at the bottom right corner. Simply go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to enter your details. Type in your first and your last name followed by your email address. Then click on the Start Chatting button and then you will be given a link within your email address which you can use to chat with an expert from Fandango support. Once you are able to access the chat, simply ask how you can close your Fandango account and they will happily assist you in the process for closing your account. And that is how easy it is to close your Fandango account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.